Welcome, my name is Dorota Trupp. I'm a qualified nutritionist. Today I would like to take you through my favorite curry recipe. We will be using a blend of very exciting ingredients such as lemongrass, chili, ginger, turmeric, garlic, as well as broccoli and red capsicum. I'm utilizing one of my favorite dishes, which is snapper and salmon. So some of the ingredients that I want to point out to is definitely turmeric. It is one of those herbs that are being pronounced to be superfood. It's lowering the inflammation in the body, and it has been found to be preventive of cancer. Cultures such as India that have a lot of turmeric in their diet have some of the lowest incidence of cancer, and they believe it is because they have a lot of turmeric in their diet. And turmeric is really good for you, specifically when you mix it with pepper and oil, which we will do in this dish to really unlock its potential. So let's start. I want to heat up the pan on a medium heat. You want to cook on a medium heat. Sorry, I've got some technical issues here. Let's start again. There you go. So I'm going to cook on extra virgin olive oil, and I usually choose organic, whatever possible of course, but specifically when it comes to oils and fats, I'll definitely go for organic. So you want to slightly heat up the oil and bring your garlic, lemongrass, chili and ginger together. So I'm just waiting for this to get hot. I can smell it, it's getting heated, I can feel the heat. All right, let's do it. How amazing is lemongrass? It's not something that myself as an Eastern European is using a lot in cooking, but when I do, I'm really getting excited and I can appreciate the flavor. So let's give it just a couple of minutes. There is your ginger. Oh, I can smell the aromas. It's beautiful. And so good for you. So there is your ginger again. Ginger is fantastic for the health of your digestive system. Now once that is slightly cooked, we can add the coconut cream or coconut milk. So it doesn't take long to cook it, literally 5 to 10 minutes. So let's mix it together. At that point you want to cook the hardest vegetables. So those would be the broccoli as well as capsicum. So we start with the vegetables that are the softest and then, the hardest, and then we're moving for the vegetables that are the softest. So I'll start with broccoli, and I will give it a couple of minutes before I add the fish, just to make sure that it's cooked through properly. So bring the heat up. You can also cover the dish to make sure that it's properly cooked through. So this is what I'm going to do. Actually, I'll leave it for the time being and give it maybe 1 minute, and I will add the rest of the vegetables. Okay, let's check how this is going. This is looking good. Now I may add, so I see that my broccoli is nice and soft, or softened slightly, so I'm adding the capsicum. And the capsicum wouldn't take a long time. So literally at the same time I can put the fish in. There it goes, my snapper and my salmon. Now keep it on a lower heat. Just adding the turmeric. So that's looking fantastic to me. That's pretty much it. We need to season it and let it cook. Look at this color. So that's highly healthy dish. Not only the turmeric that we've already discussed, but you've got broccoli. Broccoli is known for high levels of antioxidants that also lowers the chances of you to get cancer. Look at these colors. It is beautiful. It's so colorful and highly healthy and so healthy. So we've got here broccoli. Broccoli is known to have an antioxidant that helps to fight cancers. And the fish, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, so good for your cardiovascular health as well as brain health. You've got obviously the turmeric, you've got the herbs and coconut. There's nothing in this dish that irritates digestive system. It's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, so it's easier to digest. It's a beautiful alternative. And it's got some nice hot chilies, so it's got that punch in its flavor. Now I'm going to cover it for a couple of minutes. Fish doesn't really need that long to be cooked through. So watch it, don't overcook it, and it's gonna be ready to serve in a couple of minutes. So stay with me. Welcome back. Let's check on our coconut fish curry. There you go. Looking amazing. It looks like it's ready. It hasn't taken a long time. The fish looks nice and soft. It's cooked through. And the vegetables are still quite fresh and crunchy with a beautiful sauce that smells like chili and ginger. So let's just plate it and eat it. I cannot wait. Look at this. So this will be definitely one of your favorites. And you can serve it with brown rice or quinoa or wild rice. I usually stay away from white rice because of the fact that it's quite lower in fiber, so higher in glucose. Therefore, you want to have a brown rice with it as a serving. But for those who can't have grains, that dish by itself is just perfect. You've got enough carbohydrates here coming from your broccoli and paprika. So there you go. Let's add some fresh herbs. And it's ready to be eaten. There you go. I hope you enjoyed. I definitely will. Thank you. Bye for now.